What's going on, traders? This is your chance to unlock endless possibilities with our unbeatable trading program. Priced at only $53, this deal is just too good to pass up. Come get access to a wide range of features and benefits that will take your trading to the next level. Whether you're looking to improve your profitability, streamline your income, or simply invest your own money, our unbeatable trading program has got you covered. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up today. This is your boy Trillionaire Mac, and welcome back to another video. Alright, so in this video right here, what we're going to do is we're going to go over a USD CAD analysis that I'm currently in and a trade I'm currently waiting on, okay? And we're also going to go over the volume indicator, why I use it, how does it help me, whether or not you should use it, okay? But most importantly, we're going to start out by talking about the indicator itself, alright? Now, of course, a lot of you guys are probably thinking, oh, Mac, in your previous video, you said you don't use indicators. Now I see you're using an indicator, blah, blah, blah. All right. Now, let me start out by telling you guys, before we continue, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click that bell notification icon to be updated whenever I upload a new video. Also, leave a like on this video. It definitely helps out with the algorithm. It definitely helps out with showing these videos to other traders just like you who are interested in the foreign exchange market, commodities, crypto, or anything else. All right, so let's start talking about the volume indicator. Now, I don't use the volume indicator to take entries. I don't use the volume indicator to tell me when it's time for me to start looking for a trade. I don't use the volume indicator to do anything more than tell me whether a move is true or false. That's it. Okay, that's all I use the volume indicator for, and it's not even a part of my strategy that I teach my mentorship students, which is exactly why I'm giving it to you guys free of charge. But the volume indicator is going to be used to tell me whether or not a move is true or false. Okay, now for those of you who have purchased the Forex Fast Track course, that's in the link below, okay, in the description. I don't talk about volume within that course, but you can definitely use this video along with the Forex Fast Track course in order to make your trades more high probability. I mean, if you're using the Forex Fast Track information, you should be winning at least 85% of your trades, but this can definitely add some value as well. Okay, so the volume indicator tells us the volume of each individual candlestick. Okay, so if I have a gray, because my bearish candles are gray, if I have a gray volume indication down here, this is telling me the amount of bears that are in the market, or sellers. If I have a blue indication, it's telling me the amount of buyers within the market at each individual candlestick. Okay, I can actually delete this now since we are already in the trade. Okay. So what I like to do is, first I like to look at what price is doing. Then I like to look at what the volume is doing. And I really just do what makes sense. Okay? So, for example, I can see up here within price, I can see price is creating, after this break of structure on the lower time frame, price is creating lower lows, lower highs, so we're anticipating a lower low. Overall, the highs are getting lower, right? So that means that there are more sellers within the market, right? So the bearish volume should be increasing, right? Because if the bearish volume is increasing, okay, if the sellers are increasing in pressure, then that means the market will move to the downside. If you have more sellers, then price is going to move down. Okay, so we have more sellers, sellers one.
What's going on, traders? This is your chance to unlock endless possibilities with our unbeatable trading program. Priced at only $53, this deal is just too good to pass up. Come get access to a wide range of features and benefits that will take your trading to the next level. Whether you're looking to improve your profitability, streamline your income, or simply invest your own money, our unbeatable trading program has got you covered. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up today.
Right here with this push, Nice. Buyers tried to come back into the market. They couldn't. Sellers had a nice push again. They increased. Buyers tried to come back into the market. Sellers had a nice push. Buyers came back into the market for this break of structure right here. We are still overall maintaining, so this move right here is not confirmed until we see something like this. Okay, and then the move would be confirmed for the push to the upside. Okay, but overall within this entire area, the sellers are more in control because price is showing us that it's moving to the downside. So how do you apply that to, let me leave this here. How do you apply that to the volume indicator? So we can see here on the volume indicator, this right here is a bearish candle. This is a cluster of bearish candles. This right here is a bearish candle, another bearish candle, another bearish candle, and then our last bearish candle. All right, within this entire range starting right here. Okay. If we just discussed that if sellers are increasing, that means the market is going to decrease. Okay. So if the market is going to the downside, it's telling us that sellers should be increasing. When you look at the volume down here, you guys can see that the sellers are actually decreasing. The sellers are not increasing in value, right? So we have one nice bearish push right here. If the market is going to continue falling below this one candle's low, then the true value of the next lower candle should be up here. It should be at least the same amount of pressure as the first candle, but preferably breaking it, right? So we should see our volume indications continue to push to the upside because sellers are supposed to be in control because the market is pushing to the downside, right? So I took that very, very slow. I go into depth with this within my mentorship program. All right, those of you who watch the webinars, okay, and the educational videos, you guys definitely know what I'm talking about. All right, but that is how I know that this move right here is false, right? Because the market is pushing to the downside, which should be telling us that the sellers are in control, but the volume is showing us that no, the sellers are getting weaker actually, weaker and weaker. Now we did have a nice bearish push once we entered this sell right here, okay, which is exactly why why we had a sell limit right up here. And then we're looking for price to, it may find some struggle right here. But once we break structure right here, then we'll go ahead and manage the trade, go ahead and make some edits to the stop loss, go ahead and make some edits to taking profit off the table. And then we'll be looking to buy down here for price to push to the upside. All right. But this entire area is telling me that buyers are really in control. Okay, so once we see price push down here, okay, then for the bullish volume, we'll see a bullish line right there. We'll see another one right here. We'll see another one up here. And we're going to see that the buyers are going to continue to break the previous bullish indication, which is telling us that price is heading to the upside. And then this would be a true move. So if you ever see volume, okay, if you ever see bearish volume decreasing and the market is decreasing, that's false. Okay, it's just completely false. If you see bearish volume increasing and the market is decreasing, then that's true. So these are just rules for you guys to write down and then back test for yourself. So if you see bearish volume increasing and the market is decreasing, that is a true move. Okay? For example, if you see the bearish market, or if you see a bullish market increasing in volume and also the chart, on the chart you see prices also increasing, that is a true move. If you see bullish volume decreasing, but the chart is increasing, All right, and price, that is a false move. Okay, so those were just 4 rules that I use personally to figure out what is true and what is false, and it also helps me decide which order block am I going to use, right? Because I want to use the order block that lines up with true price movement. I don't want to use an order block for areas that aren't true. Okay, now we are taking this counter trend trade on the lower time frame. Here, let me get rid of all this. We are taking this lower time frame trade, this counter trend trade, excuse me, on the lower time frame, and it should be a decent move. It should be a really nice move. All right, we're already in the trade. We're currently up around, let's see, currently up around 14 pips. All right, so I'll be looking for price to continue to push to the downside. All right, but we're just gonna have patience, and then we're gonna take our buy position right down here. So we're looking for around 197 pips on this trade right here. Okay, we're risking around 17.9, and then this trade down here we'll be looking for around 18.6 pips of risk, and we'll be looking for 269.1 pips. All right. So with that being said, this is your boy Trillionaire Mac. I'll catch you guys on the next video. This video should have definitely assisted you with understanding volume. Okay. Why I use it, how I use it. All right. And if you want access to all of my trades, click the first link in the description, and you will gain access to my trades. All right. As well as my trade management. So when I update my stop loss, when I update my take profit, when I take some profit off the table, when I move my stop loss to break even, when I enter the trade, all of that information you won't have to think about. Okay, that's given to you freely, and then also you can study my setups. Now, if you want me to take your trading to the next level, either schedule a one-on-one session with me. Okay, it can be a group of you guys, it can be an individual. But sign up for a one-on-one session with me. Link is in the description. I only do private sessions now on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, because throughout the week I'm pretty much focused on my mentorship students. Okay, and I am in America, all right, U.S. time, Eastern Standard Time, but I'll work with you no matter where you are. I had a session yesterday with someone from London. I had a session this past weekend with someone from Africa. I believe he was from Kenya. Great student. And then I've had a couple of sessions from individuals in India as well. So it doesn't really matter your time zone. All right, sign up for a session. And if you don't see a session that works with you, feel free to drop a comment or private message me on Telegram or Instagram at Trillionaire Mac. Okay, and then we'll schedule something that does work with your time. All right. With that being said, I want you guys to stay prosperous within the foreign exchange market. All right. So if you need a rule-based system, feel free to check out my Forex Fast Track. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a thumbs up. All right. If you want me to keep producing these videos, these trade breakdowns, show you guys some gems so you guys can produce the same results on your chart. With that being said, I'll catch you guys.
Peace. Traders, this is your chance to unlock endless possibilities with our unbeatable trading program. Priced at only $53, this deal is just too good to pass up. Come get access to a wide range of features and benefits that will take your trading to the next level. Whether you're looking to improve your profitability, streamline your income, or simply invest your own money, our unbeatable trading program has got you covered. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up today.